In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an invoice number in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're dealing with a typo, a sequencing issue, or just managing your records more efficiently, changing an invoice number is a straightforward process. So let's get started and walk through the steps to make this task as simple as possible. Firstly, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, navigate to the Sales menu, a crucial area you'll find on the left side navigation panel. This menu acts as your gateway to managing all transactions and related documents in QuickBooks, including invoices. Now, within the Sales menu, go ahead and click on the Invoices tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your previously created invoices. Take a moment to locate the specific invoice you wish to edit. Once you've found the right one, look to the right side of your chosen invoice, where you should see an Edit option. Click this to open the invoice in the Editing view, which is where all the magic happens as you make necessary changes to your invoice details. In this editing mode, you'll now have direct access to alter the invoice number. Simply click in the invoice number box to input your desired changes. Make sure to be precise and double-check for accuracy, ensuring your invoices reflect the correct sequence or information necessary for your business operations. If you find that the invoice number isn't visible or you can't edit it, don't worry. There's a quick tip to help you out. You'll need to make sure you have enabled the necessary settings to customize your transaction numbers. To do this, scroll over to the Settings menu at the top of the page. From there, select Account and Settings. Next, head to the Sales tab and then select Sales Form Content. Here, you'll want to make sure that the Custom Transaction Numbers option is turned on. This setting affects how invoice numbers can be edited, so ensuring it's enabled is crucial for this process. Once you've made the changes and are satisfied with them, the final step is to click Save. This action finalizes your edits and ensures that all your modifications are securely recorded within the system. Once saved, your invoice will reflect the new number you entered, and there you have it. Changing an invoice number in QuickBooks Online doesn't have to be complicated. With these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your invoices, keeping your records updated and accurate. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your QuickBooks experience smoother. If you have any other QuickBooks questions, feel free to check out our channel for more tutorials.